Hi, in this video the Legalraasta team will teach you all about the PAN card in India, its definition and features. Now, what is the meaning of PAN and its primary objective to use? PAN, or Permanent Account Number, is a unique 10-digit alphanumeric number which is allotted by the Income Tax Department. PAN is mandatory for financial transactions such as receiving taxable salary or professional fees, sale or purchase of assets and more. The main objective of PAN is to use a unique identification key to track financial transactions. PAN has multiple features. Once a PAN card is issued, it is valid for the lifetime and it requires no renewal. PAN can be obtained by both Indian nationals and foreign nationals. PAN is required for payment of direct taxes and filing income tax returns. If you are individual sole proprietor, identity proof, address proof, proof of date of birth. If you are foreigner NRI, identity proof, copy of passport Indian origin card overseas citizenship of India card. If you are company LLP firm registered outside India, certificate of registration of origin. Registration certificate issued in India. If you are partnership deed. Other documents. Incorporation certificate issued by ROC. You can either file the documents at the NSDL office in your respective territory or use Legalraasta services to apply PAN. With Legalraasta you can apply for PAN by filling a simple online form available online at our website. The package for PAN starts at ₹399. Legalraasta.com is India's top destination for legal and company matters. We can help you in forming any type of business entity, example private limited company, LLP, filing individual and company return, helping companies for their compliances such as ROC filings and minutes, protecting work through trademark and copyright. We are a trusted partner with multiple top-level expertise and affiliation, and yet cost-effective. So log on now at legalraasta.com to get your IEC code registered or mail us at contact@legalraasta.com.